expect from his visit there today?
Hi there, Anna. Good morning. Well, this is Governor DeSantis' first visit to the southern border as a presidential candidate, and he is set to meet with the local sheriff here in Cochise County, who's been a very outspoken critic of the Biden administration when it comes to immigration. This is being billed as an official state visit, not a campaign event, and there will be several Florida officials, including a few local sheriffs, that are also coming on this visit. We expect a roundtable with local law enforcement officials here in Arizona in the next few hours. But as you mentioned, this all comes amid a swirling controversy over those two migrant flights that went to Sacramento within the past week. And just yesterday, we learned from a spokesperson for the Florida Division of Emergency Management who released videos and stills of what we...
And so, well, anyway, that's a bird having his breakfast while I'm waiting for my breakfast. I'm getting out today. It's been coping. Well, you know, this is life. It's just what happens. Birds of prey. Life and death. Okay, that's enough of that, huh?